E-light treatment. It can help fade spots, relieve acne, redness, or redness, and rejuvenate skin. Remove makeup. Clean face. Press E-light button. Choose needed treatment. Here we choose skin rejuvenation treatment. Choose corresponding piece of glass of the treatment. 480nm glass, suitable for the skin suffering from redness, redness, acne, and inflammation. 530nm glass, suitable to remove wrinkles, especially suitable for dark-toned skin, and skin suffering from fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. 640nm glass, suitable to rejuvenate the skin and remove body hair. Here we choose a 640nm glass. Set parameters. 20 to 40 IPL and level is recommended. 15 to 40 RF and level is recommended. Make adjustment based on the sensations of the treatment receiver or the thickness of body hair. Higher and level produces stronger heat sensation. Mode selection of the energy output. Mode 1. Suitable for those with thin and light-colored body hair. Mode 2. Suitable for those with more dark-colored body hair. Mode 3. Suitable for those with thick but light-colored body hair. Choose proper mode based on individual condition. Adjust the cooling energy. Press the snowflake button and the light there goes on. Energy range is 0 to 5. 3 to 5 is recommended. As more lights go on, the cooling energy gets stronger. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Apply a layer of 5mm thick gel evenly to face. Let the treatment receiver wear a pair of black glasses. Let the treatment performer put on the protective goggles. Make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. During treatment, press the button on the handpiece to release energy. Perform the treatment from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear center, and nose one to temple in a stamping manner 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Perform the treatment from eyebrow towards hairline in a stamping manner 3 times. Wipe gel off from face. Clean face. Apply face mask 15 minutes. Remove face mask and clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, or other skincare products. Take this treatment on a monthly basis. One course of treatment includes 4 to 6 treatment sessions. Please note, do not expose the target area to overheated water within a week after treatment. Protect your skin from strong sun rays. Apply face mask for 7 days in a row. Beauty treatments like laser, dermabrasion, and AHA skin resurfacing should be avoided within a week after treatment. Body hair removal treatment. Use a shaver to remove body hair from the target area. Clean the target area. Choose a 640nm glass and insert it into the working head. Choose SHR treatment. Set parameters. 20 to 40 NS level is recommended. Make adjustments based on individual situations. Higher NS level produces a stronger heat sensation. Cooling NH 3 to 5. Make adjustments based on individual endurance. Press Ready button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel even into the target area before treatment. Make sure the working surface of the handpiece is in full contact with skin. Each time you press the button on the handpiece, there will be energy output acting on skin. Perform the treatment in a stamping manner on every inch of the target area, 3 times. Wipe gel off and clean the target area with dry washcloths. Before and after treatment comparison. Take one treatment every 28 to 45 days. Please note, do not go for sauna or hot spring the following week. Have a good skin protection against strong sun rays.